Hi, I'm Laurie from the Truma Technical Support Team. I'm here today to talk to you about all the bits and pieces that you'll need when you're considering the installation of a heating and hot water system into your conversion vehicle. Following customer feedback, we have developed an installations kit which comprises of all the parts, all the bits and pieces that you'll actually need to install the heating system in your vehicle. This was brought around through customer feedback when customers were contacting us regularly, trying to locate things from different suppliers, missing parts, trying to find cheaper components, and we decided to pull together a kit of every part that's compatible with the Truma Combi boiler. We're going to start with the diesel kit. We'll move on to the gas kit later on. They're very similar, but there are some basic differences. Your kit comprises of your boiler, your Bluetooth control panel, your fuel pump, which controls the pump, your fuel line coming in, your fuel line going out. You've got your inner exhaust parts, outer exhaust parts, all the ducting that you need. It comes in a roll of 20 metres. You've got your air outlets for that, your room temperature sensor, and your frost control valve, which controls the water. Should your temperature drop below 4 degrees, that will immediately release your water into the outside world to prevent any damage to your boiler. The important thing to remember that all the components that we supply are all Truma components and are all working with each other and allow the control panel to communicate correctly with the boiler and monitor the temperatures in the vehicle. So that covers the diesel installation. We're going to look at the gas installation now. The core components are exactly the same. You've got your boiler, all the ducting, control panel, water fittings and such like. To run it from the gas bottle, you will need a tailpipe which goes from the bottle to a regulator. Your regulator is supplied as part of that. To ensure you have a good clean gas supply system, we also supply a gas filter which links onto the regulator. Depending how many components you have on your vehicle, you also have a gas manifold. This is a 3-way manifold that takes the supply of the gas to the 3 outlets that you might have. That could be your boiler, obviously, barbecue point, oven, cooker, etc. These are available in 2s, 3s or 4s. That covers everything, whether you're doing a diesel installation or a gas installation. Everything that you'll need will be in the kit from Truma. So that covers the main installation kits. We also supply some additional components that are available for your conversion as required. We have pump systems available that takes the water from the water supply, whether that be internal or external on your vehicle, into all the water systems on your van, the boiler, your taps, your shower outlets and so forth. We also do external shower fittings down here. That allows you to clean your dog, clean your bikes, clean your muddy feet. For the gas system, we also do a barbecue point, and that links into the gas manifold, so it's always worth considering all your components in your initial planning, and then you can move on and make sure you get all the components and all the bits and pieces you need from us at the same time.